Here's a quick video on how to make a Gibson. The drink is essentially a dry martini with two distinguishing characteristics. The first is its most iconic, which is being garnished with an onion. The second is that you exclude the bitters. The drink is a pre-Prohibition drink, so it was made at a time when not using bitters would have been noticed. But after Prohibition, when bitters, particularly orange bitters, were scarce and wouldn't be appearing much in martinis anyway, the drink adopted the onion as its signature garnish. Most classic Gibson recipes call for the drink to be made 1-to-1 gin to vermouth, but we're going to make it using Tom Bullock's 1917 recipe, which is a 3-to-2 ratio. We'll start by chilling the glass. Next, measure 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of gin, add that to the mixing glass. Measure 1 ounce or 30 ml of dry vermouth, add that to the mixing glass. Add ice, and give it a good stir to chill it down and give it some dilution. Strain it into your coupe glass, spear a pearl onion on your fancy toothpick, and plop it in your drink for garnish. That's all there is to it. The Gibson. Cheers.